Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. I'm Kelly, and today we're all about making life a little bit easier. And a whole lot more fun with some unique and easy homemade gadgets that you can whip up yourself. We've got hacks for the kitchen, the living room, and even your workspace. So whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a complete beginner, there's something here for everyone. Stick around for the bonus hack later in the video. I know you'll find it practical and useful. Now, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more awesome content like this. Ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. All right, let's get sweeping into these incredible hacks. Kitchen hacks. Our kitchen is the heart of the home, but sometimes it can feel a little cluttered or inconvenient. Well, not anymore. Hack number 1, the DIY grated cheese container. Tired of pre-shredded cheese that clumps and loses flavor? Grate your own cheese and store it conveniently with this hack. Grab an airtight container, perhaps like a repurposed deli container, and a sheet of parchment paper. Using a box grater, grate your favorite cheese, like cheddar, Parmesan, or mozzarella. Cut a piece of parchment paper to fit snugly inside the container. Place the parchment paper in the bottom of the container, then fill it with the grated cheese. Top the cheese with another piece of parchment paper to prevent drying. Now, whenever you need grated cheese, simply lift the top layer of parchment paper and scoop out what you need. The cheese stays fresh and doesn't clump thanks to the parchment paper barrier. Here's a pro tip. Try not to touch any cheese with your bare hands, as it can cause the cheese to go moldy more quickly. Wear gloves and use tongs to handle shredded cheese. Hack number 2, the mess-free fruit fly trap, repurposed plastic bottle hack. Warmer weather is coming, and fruit flies can be a real nuisance in the kitchen, especially during warmer months. This hack creates a simple and effective fruit fly trap using a recycled plastic bottle. Materials needed for this project: an empty plastic bottle. Around 16 Oz will work well for this project. A few drops of any kind of dish soap. Ripe fruit like banana peels, apple cores, etc., or a splash of apple cider vinegar. Funnel, optional, and tape. Instructions. Cut the bottle. Cut the top third of the plastic bottle off, creating a funnel-like shape. Add a few drops of dish soap to the bottom section of the bottle. Fruity lure. Place your chosen bait, fruit scraps or apple cider vinegar, in the bottom section with the soap. The sweet smell will attract the flies. Funnel trap. Insert the top section of the bottle or the funnel into the bottom section, creating a cone pointing downwards. You can secure the connection with a piece of tape if needed. Fruity doom. The flies will be drawn in by the bait, but struggle to escape through the narrow funnel, effectively trapping them. Placement. Place your trap near where you've noticed the most fruit fly activity. You can even set a few traps around your kitchen for better control. Disposal. Once the trap is full or the fruit starts to decompose, simply empty the contents and wash the bottle for reuse or dispose of it responsibly. This hack offers a safe and effective way to manage fruit flies in your kitchen using readily available materials. Living room hacks. Now let's move on to the living room, the place where we relax and unwind. But even our havens can benefit from a touch of ingenuity. Hack number 3, the multi-purpose side table. Ottomans are great for putting your feet up, but what if they could do more? This next hack transforms your side table into a multifunctional masterpiece. Find a sturdy ottoman with a removable lid. On the inside of the lid, add some cup holders using PVC pipe cut to size and hot glued in place. Now you have a handy spot to keep your drinks and snacks while you relax. But that's not all! Take some fabric and sew a pouch that fits snugly inside the ottoman. This becomes a hidden storage compartment for throws, pillows, or anything else you want to keep out of sight. Hack number 4, the ambient lighting shelf. String lights are a fantastic way to create a cozy atmosphere, but sometimes they can be a pain to hang. This hack creates a beautiful shelf with built-in string light holders. Take a long wooden plank and paint or stain it to match your decor. Attach some L brackets to the wall, creating supports for the shelf. Here's the clever part. Before mounting the shelf, screw in some cup hooks along the underside, facing downwards. Now, when you mount the shelf, You can simply drape your string lights over the cup hooks, creating a soft, diffused glow. You can even add some small potted plants on the shelf for an extra touch of nature. Workspace hacks. Even your workspace can benefit from a little DIY magic. We'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments below which hack was your favorite and share any DIY creations you've come up with yourself. Hack number 5. Cable management suction cups. Tangled cords are the enemy of productivity. This hack creates a simple cable management system that doesn't require drilling holes in your desk or sticking tape to the wooden surface. Buy some small suction cups that have hooks attached, like the kind you would use in the bathroom to hang your face cloth or back scrubber in the shower. If your desk has a smooth surface, you can stick the suction cups right at the edge of the desk. Make sure that the desk and the suction cup are clean and dry. Wrap a small elastic band around each of your cords, near the end that plugs into your device. Use the loop in the rubber band to hang the charger cord on the hook. Before we move on, to see more awesome content like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Hack number 6. The phone stand with a built-in charger. We all know the struggle of using our phones while they're charging, especially when video calls are involved. This hack creates a phone stand with a built-in charging port. Find a small picture frame or a sturdy piece of cardboard. Cut a notch at the bottom of the picture frame or cardboard, just wide enough to fit your phone charger cable. Decorate the frame or cardboard however you like. Now, simply prop your phone against the stand, feed the cable through the notch, and voila! You can comfortably use your phone while it charges, perfect for video calls or watching tutorials. We promised a bonus hack, and here it is. This one's perfect for keeping your cleaning routine streamlined. Bonus hack: the multi-purpose cleaning spray bottle. Grab 2 or 3 empty spray bottles, ideally clear. Fill one with your favorite all-purpose cleaner, another with a vinegar solution for windows, and maybe a third with a specific wood cleaner depending on your needs. Label each bottle clearly with what solution is inside, using a label maker or even just permanent marker. Now you have a cleaning arsenal at your fingertips, all readily available in labeled bottles for easy identification. These unique and easy homemade gadgets are sure to upgrade your life in all sorts of ways. A little creativity can go a long way in making your space more functional and enjoyable. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode.